How to install Display Assistant OneUI 7. Open Galaxy Store. Find and install Good Lock. Open Good Lock. Life Up tab. Install Display Assistant module. App Screen Timeout features. You can choose a different screen timeout for each app. Example, select Internet Browser app. Set timeout is 1 minute. I add more app. Set timeout, 5 minutes. Tap to change timeout. Tap to remove app in list. Standard refresh rate applications. Choose which apps you want to use in the standard refresh rate 60Hz. Phone screen refresh rate. YouTube limited 60 Hz by Display Assistant. Add more apps to save battery. Chrome limit refresh rate 60 Hz now. Return 120 Hz when exit selected apps. Tap to remove apps from list. Screen curtain features. Not available when during calls, playing game, and watch YouTube. Support OneUI 7. Thanks for watching video.